7 minus 3 gives us 4. And again 7 minus 3 gives us 4. And 4 times 4 is equal to 16. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, I'm going to write here. So we all learned this back in high school. So PEMDAS, this is the rule to follow when we are dealing with mathematical operation like this. So P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stand for multiplication and division, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. So according to this rule, we have to follow this order, meaning we have to solve parentheses first. And then after we solve all the parentheses, we have to move to exponent. Exponents are numbers that are written on top of numbers, like squares. You may get like this. And then after we solve exponent, we have to solve multiplication and division, and then subtraction and addition, right? So at the end it's addition and subtraction. So now according to this rule, we have to do this way. And the thing is, if we solve multiplication or division after subtraction or addition, it is wrong, right? It is not the correct sequence to do the calculation. So it would give us incorrect answer or inconsistent answer, right? So that is what the rule is stand for. So let's go back into our problem. 7 minus 3 gives us 4, and we did this right because the first thing to solve is parentheses. After we solve the parentheses, we are allowed to move to the other arithmetic. We are allowed to move to exponent, right? But in our equation we don't have exponent, so let's move on to multiplication or division. Do we have a multiplication? Yes, we have a multiplication, because if a number is placed next to a parenthesis, that means multiplication. So 3 multiplied by the difference of 7 and 3. So that is what it means. So 7 minus 3 times 4 is going to be the equation, right? This is the simplified version of the equation. So 3 times 4 here gives us 12, because according to the order of operation, we have to do the multiplication before subtraction, right? So that is the idea. So 3 times 4 is 12, and 7 minus 12 is equal to -5. So the final answer to this question is -5.